All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're building a long-term passive affiliate business totally from scratch. Ever gotten hit with 17 affiliate rejections in a row? For beginners, yeah, it's absolutely brutal. You can definitely stay on that hard road, or you can take a proven shortcut to instant approvals. This blueprint breaks down into 4 simple steps to actually make you a consistent earner.
Step 1 tackles the absolute biggest hurdle, getting instant vendor approval for high-converting offers.
Using exclusive vendor codes and proven templates actually guarantees your approval, even with 0 sales history.
Now, step 2. We're building a complete passive income funnel without spending a single dime.
Seriously, ditch the expensive software. You'll just use totally free landing page builders, autoresponders, and link trackers.
For your daily tasks, just use AI to instantly generate copy for Facebook, YouTube, and Quora.
Letting AI do the heavy lifting saves hours daily, totally eliminating the need for pricey ads.
Step 4 is scaling up. A simple $1 front-end offer naturally leads to high-value upgrades.
But the real secret? A massive 85% retention rate on those upgrades. It's crazy.
That wild stick rate on the AI membership? It essentially guarantees years of passive recurring commissions.
These back-end conversions literally compound, creating a realistic path to $100,000 annual revenue.
Boom! You've just transformed a simple $1 offer into a massive, sustainable passive income engine.
This step-by-step checklist is what shifts you from a struggling newbie to a consistent earner.
Getting that very first sale just changes everything. It completely validates that this system actually works.
Stop chasing quick wins. Instead, focus entirely on building sustainable, long-term passive income assets.
So, are you going to spend your next dollar on a coffee or your financial future?